Dear friends, happy Holi to all of you. Holi is very important religious festival in India. As all of us know that it is an important festival to be celebrated in India, and all of us knew the history of Prahlad and Holika Dahan. So we know it is a very important festival in India. But to celebrate Holi, nowadays we use chemicals. Some people may use natural colors, but maximum peoples use toxic, unhygienic chemicals, and which are much cheaper than natural sources. So these chemicals are very dangerous to human skin and eyes also. If these chemicals goes to your eye, so these are very dangerous for your health because they have very adverse health effects on your hair, skin, eyes. These may produce some abrasions, irritations, itching, rashes, allergies, eye infection, hair roughness, or many problems to your eyes, hairs, skins also. Some of the chemicals used in these colors or in these holy colors are as follows. To produce black color, lead oxide chemical is used, and which have a very dangerous health effect like renal failure. And another color is green, which is made by copper sulfate chemical, and it's have many health effects like eye allergy, puffiness, and temporary blindness. Silver color is produced by using aluminum bromide, and it have a very dangerous health effect, that is carcinogenic health effect. It may produce cancer if used on excess. Blue color is produced using Prussian blue, and it's have contract dermatitis effects. And red color is produced using mercury sulfite, and it's very highly toxic, can cause skin cancer also. And these are some of the pastes used colored. And gulal is a very important color used during holy celebration, and it's mainly a dry color, and it's also have many health effects or side effects. So lead is used in gulal, have the learning disability, highly toxic for children, affects vital organs, affect unborn children also. And chromium used in gulal is a very dangerous health effects like bronchial asthma, allergies. Cadmium have very fragile bones and many other side effects. Nickel for dermatitis pneumonia. Copper affects eyes, skin, respiratory system, liver, kidneys. Mercury affects kidney, liver, nervous system, unborn children. Zinc produce fever, iron, skin infection, sensitive to light. And silica, skin dryness, chaps. So to avoid the use of these chemical sources or chemicals, you may celebrate Holi with some natural sources like the colors which are produced using natural substances, like the colors which are made with the help of flowers, made with the help of vegetables, or made with the help of herbs. And a very famous color or used prepared using or with the help of plus flowers. We all know the plus, it's a very beautiful flower. And if you don't know about plus, you can search on Google and you see the flowers, I'm very sure if you are from Asian region, so you ever see class in your life, and if you are from India, then you should really read some books or some topics in your Hindi education system in your classes or in your junior classes also. So class is good source of to produce the color, and vegetables, herbs, and flowers are also used to produce natural colors. So try to celebrate Holi with natural colors, and it's a very religious or important festival. So do celebrate this festival, and happy Holi to all of you. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynoteinfo.com. Happy Holi, happy Holi, happy Holi.